Is that? I think it is. That's Enzo. Oh man. Oh man. What's up, guys? We made it, 2023. I hope you guys all had a great holiday season. Happy New Year to everyone. Yeah, I hope you did a lot of your holiday shopping at Yokaher, like we were telling you guys, because I sure did. Everybody around, family, friends of mine, got hooked up with the Yokaher gear and they loved it. So it's been a hit. So now that we're in the new year, I kind of want to share some new products that just launched that I'm super hyped about. So if you come follow, I'll show you guys some cool stuff. Right here, we got a little bit, this is the appetizer. This is just a taste of what we got coming out. So we've got longboards, we got regular boards, we got completes, we got it all, you know? So obviously, let's go through a couple things. This is our new Horizon graphic. This is the daytime horizon. We also have a nighttime horizon, and we will be showing that off in a new video, but check it out. This is a pretty cool graphic that Enzo actually did. So he did a nighttime and a daytime. This is a daytime. So we got, you know, our custom Yokaher grip. So you can show off the cool logo on the front. Little character added to this one. So check it out. This one's still brand new. Still got the plastic on the wheels. So this one's gonna be a fun one. We'll do some more videos on it. We'll have the nighttime and the daytime one soon to show on a video, kind of show the difference between the graphics. But you know me, just getting into the longboard cruiser stuff. I love it. Then we have the board I'm running, you know, you guys have seen this. But if you've also noticed in a lot of our videos, I like animal graphics. Those are my favorite ones. And that's why I'm super hyped to show our Rockstar Kitty collection. So this is the one I will be setting up. This is the Wink right here. So for some of you older guys and gals, this is gonna be, I think you'll know what this artist is inspired by, this little kitty. So these are the Rockstar kitties. So very cool, little mug shot for them. And they will be showing off, like, that's what the graphic's gonna be, just a mug shot of the cat. And it's inspired by a lot of kind of rock stars from the 80s. That's before I was born, but I still know some of these. My parents used to listen to this kind of music. So here is also, we have them in complete forms. So this is the pepper one. Yeah, cat looks a little happy to be getting its mugshot. Very cool. And, you know, you thought the holiday season was over. We got one more surprise. We got the giveaways. We're going hard in 2023 with the giveaways. Somebody is gonna have this land at their house because we are doing a giveaway. So please stay tuned till the end of the video to learn how you can get your paws on this. See what I did there? Sorry, we'll try to keep 2023, the dad boring jokes out, but I don't know. We're getting older. Another year went by and I just feel so happy to continue to do this with Yokaher. Get to hang out with Enzo, so we're having a blast. We're actually gonna be doing a lot more long format content. So we're gonna have some vlogs and stuff, some lifestyle stuff, as well as, I don't know, maybe we'll go back to the Q&As, but we will also have trick tips because we know you guys love the trick tips. We love filming them. So 2023 is gonna be pretty big for Yokaher. So we're gonna be doing it right. So yeah, that's like I said, just an appetizer. We will be having the full lineup. We're gonna be going piece by piece, kind of showing everything's attributes, what we love about the products. We're gonna just show off, you know, just general opinions. But in my opinion, I think Enzo knocked the cat series, the Rockstar Kitties. These are hilarious. Like, who doesn't like a cat that's going to, you know, jail? A little mugshot. I think those are awesome. So yeah, so just a little wrap up. You know, we didn't do a lot of videos during the holiday season. Me and Enzo both have families. We're always running around, him especially running around after the little ones, you know, doing this, that. So we took a couple weeks off, but I think those weeks we used to recharge the batteries because we're going to hit it hard and we're going to be focused on making great content for you guys, as well as showing off everything we have to offer for this new start of the year as well as throughout the whole year of 2023. But we are back, as you can see, at Chino Hills Skate Park, almost our unofficial training facility, unofficial, studio. We love this park because it's close and I grew up skating here. So if you guys are watching right now, if there's a trick tip that you haven't seen us cover or anything you'd like to know just about this park, or see me, if you want to see me skate a specific obstacle, let us know in the comments below. As well as, I know some of you have been waiting till the end of the video. Let's just get to it. We're gonna tell you how you can win this right here. So first, there's a couple rules. Rule number 1, follow us on Instagram. Rule number 2, follow and subscribe on YouTube so you can always stay in the loop on what we're dropping. All right, so that's the first half. The second half is we're gonna be posting this on Instagram. We're gonna post the board. We're gonna showcase it a little bit. What we want you to do is tag 2 of your friends on our Instagram post and then comment what your favorite memory of this last holiday season was. So once you do that, lock it in on Instagram and we'll know that you watched it and we'll know that you wanna be entered into the raffle for this. If you don't have Instagram, don't worry, we didn't leave you out. On YouTube, I want you to use the secret word, knowing that we know you want in on the raffle for this board. Use, let's see, going right off the head, Star Kitty. That's gonna be the secret word we want you to comment on the YouTube video. So if you comment Star Kitty, but there's a catch. If we see that you comment Star Kitty, you also have to be subscribed to our YouTube channel. We're trying to build our community as big as we can to kind of grow skateboarding in a whole. Grow skateboarding and continue supplying like top-notch products for you guys. And that's gonna help us to fund all of the content that we'd like to do for 2023. So if you do both, that will give you an extra digital ticket for our drawing. And if you want to go above and beyond and double that, order something off Yokaher. So say you get a deck, get wheels, get trucks. That will actually help out your chances for winning this bad boy right here. So yeah, we're doing 2023 pretty big. We're pretty happy to be able to give this away. It's gonna be pretty cool. I hope it goes to someone that's gonna be shredding it and sharing a lot of content with it, because honestly, I just wanna take it and I wanna use it, but this is for you guys. We just wanna say thanks so much for your continued support. We see the analytics on these videos and it blows us away. Like, we are connecting with people, not just across North America. We got people all around the world watching, and it means a lot that we can connect to all those people and have fun and share our journey with skateboarding and product knowledge with you guys. So before I go, we'd like to just remind you, we have the instructions in the giveaway in this video. So, just watch the video, you'll know how to do that. I'm not gonna go over it again, or you can hit that little rewind. Does it go this way or that way actually on the video? So yeah, just lastly, I hope everybody's having a fun, safe 2023. But remember, stay connected with us. And how you can do that is on YouTube. Stay subscribed, hit that little bell notification so you'll be notified that whenever we drop a new video, because you don't want to miss out on any of the giveaways that we have planned. As well as follow Yokaher on Instagram. The link will be right here. So that is our @ follow that. And then also maybe favorite our website, because that's gonna be the place that you're gonna see those drops. So you might see them on the website. You'll see the drops on the website even before we get a chance to make a video about it. So those are the best ways to stay connected with us. And we're always down to make any type of video you guys wanna see. So comment on this video what you wanna see, as well as use it to get into the raffle for the board. And on Instagram, you can always DM us, questions. We get back to everyone, or you know, just share anything that you'd like to with your skateboarding journey. But as for that, I am out, but not for a long time. I will be back next week, and we're gonna hit it hard with some trick tips, some vlogs, stuff like that. So once again, from me, Enzo, and all the Yokohara family, we appreciate all you guys. And yeah, we're excited to kick off this year with all these videos. All right, see you guys.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. We have new videos coming out every week. And if you have any requests for any other future videos, you know where to find us.